The advantages 係好處 of breastfeeding。breast 係心口啦 ，breastfeeding 即係餵人奶，因為用個 breast 去餵奶，所以叫 breastfeeding。advantages 係好處，如果前面攝咗 dis 會變咗唔好處 disadvantage。New parents have to make many difficult short-term choices that may significantly affect 嚴重影響。加強語氣，即係 very much 嘅意思啊嘛。The baby in the long term 係長遠。One of the first choices, one of 跟眾數名詞。A new mother has to make is whether 即係是否 to breastfeed her child. To many 對於好多人嚟講 this may seem like a decision with no serious consequences. 嚴重影響 serious consequences 或者後果啦。Either way, after all, a large percent of adults 呢個字可以讀 adults 亦都可以讀 adults in the United States were not breastfed. When younger, a phenomenon 係現象 that has been put down to aggressive advertising by manufacturers of baby formula. Aggressive 係進取嘅 advertising 廣告 manufacturers 製造商 of baby formula 係奶粉 and several obvious ill effects. Effects 係名詞 affect 係動詞。However, recent studies have shown 最近嘅研究顯示 breastfeeding can affect children throughout their lives 喺佢哋嘅人生命會受好大影響 even in adulthood. The first major thing to be affected by breastfeeding is health because infants, babies 一啲好細嘅 BB infants, babies 眾數的 apostrophe 係咁的 are not fully developed. They are more vulnerable 容易受影響 vulnerable 形容詞嚟嘅 be more vulnerable to illness 容易受到疾病嘅影響。Breast milk contains properties 特徵特性 that help infant resist infection, and so breastfed infants are less likely 冇咁可能 less likely to succumb to 即係冇咁容易受以下嘅影響。Things like ear infections, respiratory illness, allergies 皮膚敏感 allergies, diarrhea 肚瀉 and vomiting 嘔。Though formula can mimic 即係 copy many of its nutritional components 養分 nutritional 形容詞 components 係元素養分的元素。Breast milk is not something that can be easily replaced 被動句 be replaced 唔係咁容易被取代。Breast milk is a remarkable source remarkable 係顯著明顯嘅 obvious source of nutrition that changes its composition as baby grows. Composition 係個組成構成。As the baby grows, providing the exact combination of chemicals and infant needs. 頭先解咗啦 infant 即係啲好細嘅 BB 我哋叫 an infant needs at various stages 喺唔同嘅階段 various stages of its growth. In fact, this early boosting 本身解推動或者提升，咁早嘅提升 of child's development 發展 development also reduces the risk of diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer later in life. One of the most surprising finds of recent years, findings 即係個結果。Though it's the positive effect of breastfeeding has on child's future social class. 原來對佢社會嘅 social class 即係個階級啊，都會有影響。Okay, a study of 34,000 people in the UK compare each participant's social class with what of their fathers when they are growing up. Those who were breastfed as children had a much higher chance of surpassing their fathers, 超越 surpass of their fathers on social ladder 社會階級。即係如果黃sir由住板間房，跟住慢慢揾錢、儲錢，跟住買樓向上爬，身份地位越高，咁我哋叫 沿住個 social ladder 向上爬。正常你會想喺個 social ladder 向上爬，而唔係向下跌嘅。呢個就不停嘅階級提升。Than those that were formula fed。咁所以如果你想提升自己嘅社會地位咧，就要問一問阿媽，想當年係咪用人奶餵你啦？咁呢個 research 係 UK 做嘅，英國做嘅34,000。咁英國做嗰啲 research 應該就可靠嘅。OK， 咁所以你大個仔大個女之後，記住就餵人奶啦，就唔好餵奶粉。The study seems to confirm early reports that nutrients 嗰啲養分 in breast milk 人奶 actively improve brain development and breastfed individuals 每一個人。咁呢一度嘅 breastfed individuals 咪就係嗰啲 BB 咯。were also shown 係被動句 B 加 PP 喎。To lower levels of emotional stress 低水平嘅情緒壓力，咁即係情緒都好啲啦。So when they were children, a positive result of early skin-to-skin contact with their mothers, which could have also been a contributing factor 構成嘅因素 contributing factor 即係原因咯，即係 reason 咯。記住一個現象可以由唔同嘅因素導致，唔同嘅因素係 factors。好少事情發生係由一個 single factor 單一因素，好少事情係 single factor 構成。To their success later in life， 咁好明顯，黃 sir 以前係冇飲人奶嘅 ，that's why 我就有一個非常之 high levels of emotional stress 啊。咁我唯一可以改變就係叫我老婆餵我小朋友食人奶。